a lot of content creators have been discouraged and they stop shooting content because of frustration, because of hunger, because they're shooting every day, and because they're shooting every day, there's no money that is coming in, they're not monetized, and the rest of the thing. This might even be part of the reason that you start taking other people's content to post just to see if you're going to make money from there. But let me tell you one truth: if you really want to make money on this platform, then you need to be consistent, persistent, and focus on this content creation. And you cannot do that when you're hungry. You cannot do that if you're hungry. If you believe what I'm saying is true, drop 5 in the comment section. Type 5. I mean, you cannot be focused, consistent, persistent, empty tummy. So that is why you need to have something you're doing. So if you have a small business that you're doing, maintain it. I don't care what you're doing. At least maintain that one for now until you start making good amount of money from YouTube, from Facebook, from content creation. You start making big amount from. But if you have not started making a big amount of money, don't resign from your job. Continue managing it for now until YouTube, Facebook, TikTok start paying you big amount. Then you can now think of resigning. This is going to help you to work on it. Now, even if it means for you to shoot your video at night, shoot it. If it means for you to wake up at night and edit it, do it. So that in the morning time you can go to your work, you can go to market. If you have small thing you're selling, continue selling it. Me, I have things that I'm doing. I have other businesses. Yes, I have other business that is taking care of me. And yeah, content creation, I'm not actually depending on it. Do I want to make big money from content creation? But you know what? I have to be here. I have to focus and make content. But if I don't eat, what will I do? So that's the reason I'm telling you, if you know you want to succeed as a content creator, have something else that is providing money for you so that you can focus on it, concentrate on it, do it the way it's supposed to do it the time it's supposed to do. Be consistent in this platform. Don't worry, it will pay. I promise you, it will pay if only you can focus yourself and do what you're supposed to do. And that means you need to have what to eat. So if you've gotten value from this video, watch this video that YouTube is actually recommending for you, because this is another video that YouTube thinks that you need. Watch this video and learn what to do as a content creator to succeed.